Hi friends, welcome back. Today we'll see XigmaNAS install on Proxmox VM. Before downloading the ISO file from XigmaNAS website, let us add a directory for ISO. I have newly installed Proxmox on this machine, so I had to create ISO folder. But if you have it already, you may skip this step for a couple of seconds and then directly jump into downloading the ISO. Mention the ISO path and then enable backup and mention the URL here by copying it from the link and pasting the link here when we see download from URL. So default download can be modified to XigmaNAS.iso. And click download. SHA may be enabled if you want to verify the fingerprint along with the download checksum. Other approach is to use wget to directly download the link. Using this approach, the download is progressing. So if you had any issue in installing from the original ISO from the download using the querying the link, then the wget approach can be followed. Now on PVE, click on create VM and we'll proceed with creating a VM here. VM ID, whatever is next available, and use here the CD image with the downloaded ISO pointed to that. On the system, choose whatever the default are available and then go to disk. The SCSI disk is available with 32 GB as defaulted. We'll leave it like that. Additional storage partitions are hard disk or SSD partitions can be tagged to this particular VM after the fact, after the install is done. So that's why we are choosing start up the VM on default option unchecked at this moment. So we can use the QM commands to attach the hard disk or SSD partitions to XigmaNAS for storage. Default 32 GB can be used for the software itself. So here CPU we chose 2 cores, and memory we are selecting here the ballooning device, and then minimum is 2 GB as defaulted. Can leave it like that, and increasing the memory to 3 GB, which is 3072 MB here. Bridge and other details here on this tab, I'm leaving it as it is, as defaulted. On the final tab, once all the details are reviewed, we can click OK. Now let us review the hardware. Any attached hard disk can be seen there. Now on the console we can monitor how XigmaNAS is booting in Proxmox. Once the network is found, then we can choose the other options. So here, 1 for configuring network interfaces, 2 for network IP reset, and then we can choose to reset the default XigmaNAS password as well. Four for reset to factory defaults, 5 for ping host. I am choosing the reboot option 7. Proxmox is getting rebooted with this particular VM. So network is recognized, and it shows the web GUI address, LAN IP is given, and then default login is available on console. Currently it shows the QEMU agent is not installed or not running, so it needs to be installed. So this is how we log into XigmaNAS. Go to XigmaNAS using the IP address and port given, and then log in here. XigmaNAS has got several menu options like home, system, network, disk, access, services, virtualization, status, diagnostics, tools, and help. So the default parameters can be changed as you like and as you need. And system settings, and web GUI options can be changed here, and password can be reset. Thank you.